A very good morning, children. Welcome to Value Education class. Hope you all are doing good. Yes. So now in today's class we are going to see lesson number 2, punctuality and success. So open book page number 5. Punctuality and success. Lack of punctuality is not only a sign of disrespect to others but also makes us miss great opportunity. So here what does the meaning of it? The people who are always punctual and they respect their time, they are always given a equal importance and respect. And the people who never follows the time and they never on time, they are punctual, they are not at all respected and they are losing their opportunities. Okay, so we should always be punctual. So if you are punctual, your work will be always success. For example, you're waiting at a bus stop for your friend. He has asked you to not to go without him. However, the bus arrives and your friend has not yet reached. As always, he is late. What will you do? You will board the bus. Yes or no? Because the friend, that is your friend, is always late. So he never respects you and he never conscious about the time. So what you should do? So we should be very punctual and we should follow the time. Now let's see a small story, the punctual colors. Let's see how these colors are, that is rainbow colors, how they are very punctual. Okay, so let's start a story, children. A long time ago, when it was the beginning of everything, and even the planets and stars were still very young, they all went to God's school to learn how to work well. There was a special class which was everyone's favorite. It had the most funny classmates. Okay, so now in this class, that is a rainbow colors class, we had a small young stars. Okay, so the stars were very young, even the planets also, and they were going to God's school. Which school? God's school. And there was a interesting class, that is a special class which is a favorite for everyone. The class members were a bunch of rather happy and naughty colors: black, white, red, yellow, blue, green, violet, orange, and indigo. You all know our rainbow color. What is the rainbow color? Vibgyor. Yes or no, children? So this is a short form of rainbow. Next, they hope to grow up to be wonderful and useful colors, and this is what they were being trained for. Okay, next here one more person is there, that is black and white were particularly naughty. So in this class, black and white were very naughty. So who were naughty, children? Yes, black and white were very naughty. They were so busy causing mischief that they were almost always late for the class. So you can see this black and white are very naughty children in this class, and they are always late for the class. Okay, so they never been punctual, always making some mischief, some naughtiness, and they will be always late for the class. One morning there was a great commotion in the sky. So what do you mean by commotion, children? Commotion means there is a huge or a loud noise in the sky, like thundering storm. Okay. The clouds, while practicing their raining, rained so hard that they created a terrible storm. This left everyone depressed and sad. So what is happening here? So because of the rain, everywhere the terrible sound is coming, and because of which the stars are depressed now. Even when the sun started shining again, the world was not able to get over the storm and was still upset. Okay, so you all know when you feel the thunderstorm. or during a rainy time you feel the thunderstorm, it will be very hard, right? The sound is very loud. You all get afraid of the storm. Yes or no, children? So same way here also, the same situation even when the sun has come. Next, God wanted to bring the smiles back on the everyone's face. The only solution he could think of was to appeal to the colors even though they were very young. God went to the classroom and found that all the colors were present except for black and white. So here now the God visited the classroom because the stars are very sad now and they are seeing what is happening in the classroom. But everyone is present there, but black color and white both are missing. They were as usual late. So usually the black and white, they both are late for the class. So on this day also they both are late. However, there was no time to lose and they could not wait for the black and white. So here they don't want to lose the time and they didn't wait for black and white. Thus God told the other colors to do something fast. The colors ran down the corridor and flew up into the sky where the clouds, ashamed of what had happened, were waiting. Okay, on their way up to the clouds, each colors left a majestic trail. Traveling side by side, the combination of all the colors was striking and spectacular. That smile returned to everyone's face and the world was happy again. So you would all have seen the rainbow. Yes. So rainbow, how it will be? It's very colorful. So you all will be very happy when you see the rainbow. Yes or no? So here also the same thing has happened now. So everybody is very happy seeing the rainbow. Thus it was decided by all that whenever the clouds overdid the rain, the colors would come quickly and make a rainbow. A little later, black and white entered the classroom and found it empty. They went out and saw everyone congratulating the other colors. Black and white, because of their habit of coming late, were left out of the rainbow. From that day, they trained themselves to be punctual and responsible. They managed this so well that they too became very important colors. Now, you would have all have seen how many colors are there in rainbow. Yes, there are only 7 colors. So here the story also somewhat related to that. So you can see that there is only 7 colors in the rainbow. Why? Because of the black and white are very late, so they never been on time for the class, so finally they unsucceeded, right? So here because of this we are also should be always punctual. So if we are punctual on time and everything happens in a perfect way and you lead to a success. Yes or no, children? So always be on time to a class or school, whatever it is, you should be very punctual.